Why invest in packing cubes for easy travel organization tips for smarter packing? Travel is an exciting and often transformative experience, whether you are heading off for a weekend getaway, a family vacation, or a long-term international adventure. But anyone who has ever packed a suitcase knows the stress that comes with organizing your belongings, fitting everything into limited space, and finding what you need when you arrive. The solution to this common travel problem is surprisingly simple and incredibly effective packing cubes. Packing cubes have become one of the most talked about travel essentials in recent years. They offer travelers a simple and highly efficient way to keep their luggage neat, organized, and accessible. If you have never used packing cubes before, or are wondering whether they are worth the investment, this guide will explain exactly why packing cubes should be a non-negotiable part of your travel gear. We will also offer expert tips on how to use them to maximize your packing potential. Let us explore the many benefits of packing cubes, the types available, how they can transform the way you travel, and how you can make the most out of this underrated organizational tool. What are packing cubes and how do they work? Packing cubes are small fabric containers with zippers that come in a variety of sizes and shapes. They are designed to fit inside suitcases, backpacks, and carry-ons, and help travelers group and separate clothing, accessories, toiletries, and gear. Most packing cubes are lightweight and made from durable materials such as nylon or polyester. Some even offer compression features that reduce the space your clothes take up. The concept is simple. Rather than stacking clothes loosely inside your bag, you organize them into different packing cubes by category or purpose. This allows you to easily pull out what you need without disturbing your entire suitcase. Subscribe for more adventures. Why you should invest in packing cubes. One of the biggest benefits of using packing cubes is that they help you make the most of limited suitcase space. When you fold or roll your clothes and place them inside the cubes, you are essentially creating compact, stackable units. These cubes fit together like puzzle pieces, filling every corner of your suitcase more effectively than loose clothes ever could. The result is a neater bag, and honestly, often even more space to pack additional items. This is especially helpful if you are traveling with just a carry-on or planning to bring home souvenirs. Have you ever opened your suitcase in a hotel room only to find a chaotic mess of clothes, tangled cords, and mystery socks? Packing cubes eliminate this scenario completely. By organizing your belongings into separate cubes, you always know where everything is. You can use one cube for tops, one for bottoms, another for underwear and socks, and one for electronics or toiletries. Some travelers even use a cube just for dirty laundry, so clean clothes remain fresh. The ability to pull out exactly what you need without digging through everything makes a big difference, especially when you are moving between destinations quickly. When you arrive at your hotel, hostel, Airbnb, or cruise cabin, unpacking becomes effortless. Rather than taking every item out of your suitcase, you can simply transfer your packing cubes into drawers or shelves. Many travelers even leave their clothes inside the cubes during their stay. This keeps your room organized and honestly saves you time when packing again. It is especially helpful on multi-city trips where you are constantly on the move. Minimize wrinkles and clothing damage. Loose clothing inside a suitcase tends to shift during transit, which leads to wrinkling and creases. Packing cubes keep clothes neatly folded or rolled in place, minimizing movement and protecting fabric from damage. So, your outfits will look more presentable upon arrival, and you'll spend less time ironing or trying to smooth out creased garments. Simplify security checks and bag searches. Airport security can be stressful, especially when you're asked to open your bag for a search. With packing cubes, the process is much easier. Instead of exposing a messy pile of clothes, you can neatly lift out a few organized cubes to reveal what is inside. This not only speeds up the inspection, but also protects your privacy and helps you repack faster. The same goes for customs checks or hotel security in some countries. Help with overpacking. Packing cubes encourage mindful packing. Because you can see exactly how much you have packed in each category, you are less likely to overpack or include unnecessary items. You can visually gauge how much space your shoes, clothes, and toiletries take up and decide what to cut or keep. This saves you from carrying a heavy suitcase filled with things you never use and ensures you have room for essentials and souvenirs. Great for families and group travel. If you are traveling with kids or a group, packing cubes become even more helpful. You can assign a different color cube to each family member. making it easy to locate their clothes or personal items without confusion. This system also helps keep suitcases shared between siblings or couples better organized. Everyone knows where their belongings are, and packing or unpacking becomes a team effort rather than a stressful chore. Types of packing cubes and how to choose them. Not all packing cubes are created equal. There are a variety of options to choose from depending on your travel style and needs. Standard packing cubes are the most common and come in small, medium, and large sizes. They're ideal for organizing clothes and can be mixed and matched inside any suitcase. Compression cubes include extra zippers that help squeeze the air out of your clothes, making them more compact. They're perfect for bulky items like sweaters, jackets, or winter gear. Shoe bags, while technically not cubes, help keep your shoes separated from clean clothes and prevent dirt from spreading. They can also double as laundry bags or toiletry holders in a pinch. Toiletry cubes are designed with waterproof or water-resistant linings and multiple compartments for organizing toiletries, cosmetics, and liquids. Some even come with hanging hooks for bathroom convenience. Electronics cubes are specially designed for cables, chargers, travel adapters, and tech gear. They keep cords from tangling and protect devices during transit. When choosing packing cubes, look for high-quality zippers, durable stitching, breathable mesh panels, and lightweight material. Buying a set with a variety of sizes gives you more flexibility. Smart packing tips using packing cubes. Roll or fold strategically. Depending on the fabric and item, you can roll clothes to save space or fold them for more structure. Rolling often works best for soft materials like t-shirts and gym clothes, while folding is ideal for dress shirts and stiff fabrics. Use one cube per category. Pack clothing by type or purpose. For example, casual wear in one cube, dressy outfits in another, and sleepwear and undergarments in a smaller one. This method simplifies finding what you need without searching through everything. Pack by day or destination. If you are on a multi-stop trip, pack each cube by location or day. For example, use one cube for your outfits in Paris and another for your time in Rome. This helps streamline dressing and repacking. Label your cubes. Some cubes come with clear windows or labels. If not, consider attaching a small tag or using a marker to label them. It is a helpful extra step when dealing with multiple similar-looking cubes. Use smaller cubes for accessories. Belts, scarves, jewelry, and small items often get lost in a big suitcase. Use smaller cubes to keep them grouped and prevent them from getting crushed. Reserve one cube for dirty laundry. Having a designated place for worn clothing keeps the rest of your bag clean and fresh. Use a cube with a Ziploc or water-resistant liner for dirty or damp items. Do packing cubes work for backpackers and carry-on travelers? Absolutely. Packing cubes are not just for suitcases. Many backpackers and carry-on-only travelers, well, they really swear by them. They help keep backpacks organized and make it so much easier to access your clothes without having to unpack the entire bag. In carry-on bags, packing cubes make sure you can fit more into the limited space while keeping everything nicely compressed. And if you travel light, packing cubes let you bring more outfits and keep them, wrinkle-free. The long-term value of packing cubes is honestly hard to overstate. Although packing cubes are relatively inexpensive, their value is significant. They can last for years and adapt to every kind of travel situation. Whether you are road tripping, backpacking, cruising, or flying internationally, packing cubes continue to offer convenience, organization, and peace of mind. Investing in packing cubes means investing in a smarter way to travel. You spend less time dealing with your luggage and more time actually enjoying your journey. So, packing cubes are a small travel investment with a really big return. They help maximize space, reduce stress, protect your belongings, and just streamline every aspect of packing and unpacking. From solo travelers and digital nomads to families and frequent flyers, honestly, anyone can benefit from these simple yet powerful organizers. Once you try packing cubes, you will likely never want to travel without them again. They transform your suitcase from chaos to calm and give you more control over your travel experience. Whether you are heading across the globe or planning a short domestic trip, make room in your bag for this essential tool. Your future self will thank you when your clothes are wrinkle-free, your accessories are exactly where you left them, and your trip runs smoothly from start to finish. Subscribe for more adventures, and hey, happy travels!